Trevor about?
He's probably out somewhere drinking human blood or eating household pets.
He's not that bad.
Really?
Well, okay, he is pretty bad. But he's got a sense...
Get a boat and meet me under Ratton Canyon Bridge. I'll be on the earpiece.
Alright, so I'm taking a car to steal a boat, stick up a train, and get some gold.
That's about the size of it. Make it a fast boat.
The logistical mind of Trevor Phillips. So it's like gold bricks on board, right?
Sometimes. This is a high-value courier service run by Merryweather.
Oh, Merryweather?
Tranquilo, Mike. This ain't a weapons train. It's goods too valuable to insure for air travel trade.
Gold.
Sometimes gold, sometimes artwork, priceless antiquities. Sometimes enough for you, me, Ron, everyone.
Fine.
And here she is, the magical train. Chugga, 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 chugga. Mike, oh yeah, another thing for your shopping list. We'll need some bombs.
Okay, I'll pick them up when I'm back at the trailer.
Back in the trailer? Where are you? We got work to do.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm getting changed.
Whoa, getting changed? What have you turned into? Stop that train! Don't leave without me! All aboard! Howdy! There's a new conductor on this train. You on the water?
Sure, just caught a fish. Let me know when you need me.
Gut it, eat it, be under that fucking bridge. When we go past Toledo Station, whole of Merryweather's gonna be onto us. We've been rerouted! Sorry! Em, I ain't far out. You under the bridge?
Approaching the inlet now. I'll power through to the bridge. How you doing?
I'm living the life, my friend. This is quite a spot you picked.
Enjoy it now, because it's about to start raining fire. What we're after's in that
I was a speed-free cannibal, what would I blow up a train to steal?
Don't be smart! Find the loot! Our moment of judgment! You're gonna hit the container! The container, Michael! Find the loot! Our moment of judgment is fast approaching! Score's getting wet, Mikey! Open up that freight car!
Let's get rich, Mikey!
I'll be as quick as I can be. I gotta run a fucking salvage operation in here.
Merryweather fleet's here, bro! It can't be this hard to find treasure in the magical train!
Keep them away from me, man! I'm looking!
Speed it up! Grab something, let's go!
Hey, you ain't motivating me! I'm moving as fast as I can!
Snipers on the bridge!
Hey, your rifle's got a thermal scope, right? Use it! And find those shooters before they find me!
Woo! I got one of the bastards! You wanna swap places? Grab something already!
I'll find something when I find something! Hold them off!
Snipers are down! So don't let that keep you! Come on, come on, come on, let's get out of here!
I can tell you I'm looking, or I can actually look!
They're parachuting in now! Ron would have found something 10 minutes ago!
If I wasn't looking over my shoulder for Merryweather guys, it might be easier! Baby on board, we're good to go!
About fucking time! Come on!
All aboard! Come on, let's go! Passenger seat, come on! Sit down, come on!
Downriver! Vámonos! We got boats on us! Nature, you're right, it's a beautiful thing.
There's nothing natural about this. Nada. Get these boats off of us!
They got guys on land! Women and children first!
Cars, up there, see? Get them off of us!
I forgot to say, nice outfit! And by nice, I mean lame! We got a buzzard on our tail! Ha! Fuck you! You feeling alive? Juice pumping through your glands?
My glands are just fine, without the crashing trains, exploding helicopters, and sinking boats.
There's somewhere we can pull up just down the coast.
You work hard for your living. Boil it down for me. How much you think you make per senseless killing, huh? Couple nickels?
Times are tough. Have been since we put you in the ground.
Hey, you had your savings.
That I couldn't access because you blew the identities. You know, there was nothing for Brad's defense. Man didn't even get a trial, just popped up in Supermax. Ron organized some transport for us.
Oh, his and hers, huh?
Because of your independent spirit. Hey! Hey, before you go, show me the loot.
All right. Perfect.
Perfect for fucking what?
For squaring things with that Mexican psycho. We give him this, and you end your relationship with that little lady. Maybe we won't be deadmen in Los Santos.
I don't fucking see that Silicon City again. It'll be too soon. But this is my job, not your call to make.
Nah, your job. Fuck things up with the Mexican to begin with.
My job, my score, get your own!
Wait, you give me that case, I'll give you something bigger.
What?
Union Depository.
Fuck off. Can't be done.
I never said impossible. Just very difficult.
Verging suicidal?
That a line you're afraid to cross? Come on, T. You remember the dreams? Couple kids, pulling jobs, big